is almost out. Good to go. Alright guys, this is just my little overview of the car. I'll show you guys the engine in the next video. But got it home, took it for a drive to the local car show today. She did pretty good. The Interchiller worked good. So it's coming in an upcoming video. Drove real slow so this bumper and hood didn't get nicked, because I don't have PPF on them and I didn't get it ceramic coated yet. Got those cheap $250 skinnies to test them out. They drove actually pretty good, but I'm still gonna get the expensive weld fronts, but I'm just gonna get the 8-inch because I wanted to drive like a street car. But yeah guys, she's home. She's not clean. I didn't wash her today. Took her to the car show. But she did good, and next video will tell you everything I changed and upgraded since December, when it was in the body and customization shop. And then I will also have a video after that shows the results with the infrared thermometer on the Interchiller system and how it's helping my car and intercooler and the IAT temps and all that. Oh, let me get another close-up of this hood because it's pretty sick. Looks good. They did a pretty good job. Just a quick teaser for you guys so you see what's next video. I'm gonna start her up and do a quick showdown of the engine, but I'm not gonna tell you what I've done just yet. Teaser. I'll tell you guys what everything is detailed in a very detailed build video, and exactly what I upgraded since December. Alright guys. I'm about to do it, you gotta be quiet. Wheels AC. You know the deal. Yeah, let's get it. This how I'm finna do it. Yeah, finna turn up. You know it's good, boys. Yup. Yeah. Gunsmoke, John Doe. Tarzan, straight out the jungle. Right? I do not fuck with no dumb hoe. Nope. Knocking shit out like I'm Monroe. All of my people, we on the road. Strapped up everywhere we go. Anybody try to play me for a hoe, I'ma turn that bitch into John Doe. Gunsmoke, John Doe. Tarzan, straight out the jungle. Right? I do not fuck with no dumb hoe. Nope. Knocking them out like I'm Monroe. All of my people, we on the road. Strapped up everywhere we go. Anybody try to play me for a hoe, I'ma turn that bitch into John Doe.